Pomegranate juice benefits. 10 reasons to drink pomegranate juice every day. Sometimes, it can be boring to always just drink water. We can often crave a nice refreshing drink, but may feel guilty choosing something like Coca-Cola or lemonade, as they are very unhealthy for you. Well, pomegranate juice is a great choice of drink to have when you are fancying something a bit different to your plain tap water. It is a healthy choice that can bring us so many different health benefits. In this video, I will explain to you what the top 10 health benefits of pomegranate juice are and why you should head out and buy some today. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon that you will be notified when we publish new videos. Number 1. Prevents cancer. So the first, and perhaps most impressive the health benefits of pomegranate juice is that it can help to lower your risk and prevent you from getting cancer. Amazing, right? Cancer is caused by uncontrollable cell division, which leads to the cells turning into tumor cells. Pomegranate juice works because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in tumors. Studies have shown the drink to specifically help in reducing an individual's risk of getting prostate and breast cancer. With cancer being such a horrible conditions that so many now suffer with, who doesn't want an extra barrier protection? Well, pomegranate juice is an easy one. Number 2. Help sports performance. There are so many drinks out there that claim to be the best at improving an individual's sporting ability. Some of these, however, are not healthy and contain all sorts of sugars. Pomegranate juice is a natural alternative to any sports drinks or other performance enhancement substances. Athletes may take it improves your endurance by reducing soreness. They can be caused by exercise, so it allows you to keep working out for longer, as you won't feel like you have to stop from tiredness. It also helps you to recover quicker after strength training, so you don't have to take days off due to feeling overworked or achy. Number 3. Protects from Alzheimer's disease. You may sound shocked to hear this, but pomegranate juice can help to reduce your risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. As I'm sure many of you know, Alzheimer's disease is a condition where you lose your memory due to a loss of dopamine cells in your brain. This loss of cells is partly caused by too much oxidative stress on the brain. Therefore, if you take pomegranate juice from a good age and have a glass every single day, then it can help to keep your oxidative stress levels low and so prevented from getting out of control and damaging those dopamine cells. This therefore helps to lower your risk of getting Alzheimer's disease. Number 4. Antioxidant. That's one of the most prominent benefits of pomegranate juice is that it is a great antioxidant. I'm sure most of you have heard how amazing green tea is at detoxing the body and flushing out your system. Well, pomegranate juice is actually 3 times more effective. At this property is what allows the juice to bring most of the benefits mentioned in this video. Their antioxidant properties come from polished unknowns within the fruit, which is also what makes it such a striking color of red. They help to remove free radicals, which can cause issues, reduce and prevent cell damage, and also helps to reduce inflammation, which leads me on to my next point. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory. Because of the amazing antioxidant properties of pomegranate juice, it also makes the drink a great anti-inflammatory agent. It has been proven that having a glass a day can help to significantly reduce your risk of getting inflammatory-related conditions, such as arthritis, and also oral health issues, such as gum inflammation. Number 6. Lowers blood pressure. Managing and keeping your blood pressure in control is so important. Having a blood pressure which is too high or too low can cause so many issues that no one wants to go through. I'm sure many of you have been to the doctors and been instructed to try and control your diet to help get your blood pressure back within normal ranges. Pomegranate juice is great at helping to control your blood pressure as it lowers your systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is very hard to do, so this drink is a bit of a miracle worker you do. However, need to drink a significant amount of pomegranate juice to see these effects. You need to have about 3 glasses a day for a sustained period. For it to be effective at lowering your blood pressure, it is worth it. though, as it will improve your heart's health immensely.